Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in Bigo Live. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to get signed up in your Bigo Live account, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bigo app. Once you open it, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the Me option. Once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the sign in with phone. After you do so, you need to now type in your mobile phone number and hit the next option. After doing so, you need to now tap on the verify option as well. Now you will get a code on your phone number which you need to simply type in and create a password for your account. After creating a password, hit the sign up button, and then you can even skip this option, or you can even type in your data here as per asked. After doing this, you're all done by creating or getting signed up into your Bigo Live account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.